this, guys, is what we're gonna be reviewing today. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Danny C video. So here we have a special guest, Enrique. How's to meet, man?
Nice to meet you.
And this is the C5 MadMax, as you guys saw in the title. So tell us a little bit what you've done to it and why you started everything.
I have done a lot of stuff to it. Like the first thing I did to it was like rip it off the entire car, like sell all those parts.
Because this is a C5, right?
Yeah, it is a C5. It's a C5 Corvette. So I rip it off the entire car and I started, building from the ground up, Like,
How much power is it making?
Right now it's making like 390 something right now. 390 something.
And how much do you think it weighs? A lot more than, a lot less than.
A lot less, yeah. I would say like 1,000 pounds less.
Wow.
I haven't weighed it yet, but yeah.
Definitely took off. That's sick. Yeah, there's a couple people that have done the same thing, but this one, I don't know, it's really unique. Got the wing, the carbon fiber wing in the back, the nice seats. It's really cool. I really like it. And it has the stock engine. What have you done to the engine?
No, it had a stock engine, but I put like a couple of stuff to it.
Yeah.
Like the long tube headers, really nice tone, big injectors. I basically prepare the engine to be boosted. I have a baby cam. They call it baby cam. I'm not really into like engine guy stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I just took it to someone else and they do all the stuff.
Do you plan on boosting it or not?
Yeah, definitely.
Twins or single?
I was thinking of twins, but bro, it's like a mission, and I already got like really nice long tube headers on it, and I'm gonna go supercharger.
Supercharger?
Pro charger, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of Corvettes go pro charger.
Yeah, it's simple, and the thing is, I don't want to really race on it, none of that stuff. I just want to hang out here in Miami,
Yeah.
when the weather allows.
Yeah, because when it rains, you probably can't even.
Yeah, and I'm getting a lot of questions from the people if the car is too legal. Yes, it is.
It is
very
legal, guys.
street legal.
It's street
Yes,
legal.
it is. I personally myself, I went to the DMV and I got all that package that they gave it to us, all that package, and we followed that package to the. We just follow that package.
Yeah, because when you look at it, you're probably like, oh, it's not really legal, it's just a race car.
No,
but no, it is.
No. And the funny thing is, the cops doesn't really. The only guy that stopped me one time was like, "Hey, can I take a picture of your car?" I was like, "You scared me. You scared me." Like, "Damn, bro, I thought you were gonna tell me something, but like, no, he was like, let me take a picture of the car. What car is that? What is that? Like."
Yeah, because people look at it like, what even is this?
Yeah. It's funny.
That's sick. Why do a lot of people choose the C5 for like things like this? When I like,
well, in my case, I choose the C5 because you mean in Corvette or?
Yeah, like in Corvette, like the C5, yeah, like that specific.
Well, the C5 is cheaper than the other model, like the C4 is cheaper than this one, but the C4 comes with, I don't really like that engine.
Okay.
I don't have anything against it, but this one is the kind of like I know more. And in terms of using Corvette, in my case, I think because like, bro, this car, once that you rip off the entire car, you can still drive the car. Like, I don't know, like that chassis, everything is like, it is like a good platform to build your stuff. And you already got a V8 on it. Yeah. That's my idea. That's what I think.
LS6, right?
No, LS1.
Oh, it's an LS1?
C5 LS1, yeah, this is an LS1.
Oh, got it.
5.7, that is 1.5. 5.7.
But it came out great.
Thank you.
It looks really like well made. Like it doesn't look like you just kind of throw it. You took your time and.
Definitely took my time. I took like I would say like 10 months to build it.
10 months.
10 months to build it.
Like the body work, did you do it yourself? Like these things.
Yeah, everything I did myself.
Yeah.
Everything I did myself.
Alright, let's go ahead and go to the back end. These exhaustives, huge.
Oh yeah.
Was this custom?
Yeah, I did it myself. I did myself.
5-inch tips.
Yep.
Dang, that's huge.
But yeah, they actually,
You guys can
those
see.
are definitely not the stock brakes on it. And since I knew that I was gonna push this guy and definitely increase more power, I wanted to be able to like actually really stop it.
Yeah.
You know, and I went ahead with this kind of nice package of wildwood. Yeah.
Those are headphones? Is it
No,
'cause-
actually,
Oh, because it's too loud?
I did a trip that it was kind of like 3 hours.
Oh, you had to
and,
put that on?
Bro, when I was coming back, definitely I have to like
Dang, that's funny.
put them on. Yeah, and they have been there.
Sense, just in case you get annoyed, you just throw it on. You were telling me that means the ER?
Actually, that's my name, Enrique Roy. That's my name.
That came out sick. Yeah. The back looks insane. I like the back.
Like the back of it?
It looks like
I like
a.
the front of it.
It looks like a blown up racing little cart.
Yeah.
Like a big cart. Looks awesome. Then that's where you got your gas cap.
Oh yeah. That section is already now. I haven't touched that section.
Oh.
I'm planning to do something nicer,
That's
like
funny.
shave all that part and do something like a little more reserved.
Yeah.
I'm missing a lot of stuff to it, like, but like I'm open to suggestion, big time.
If you guys have any suggestions, comment below. Oh, and why did you call it the MadMax?
Oh, actually, that's kind
The
of a
movie?
funny story.
Yeah.
I had on when I started building it, I didn't have a name for it,
Yeah.
and I someday I just posted on Instagram and I was like, hey, I'm open to suggestions for for name,
name,
for the
yeah.
car. A lot of people were telling me you don't all those names, and there was one guy that told me, hey, why you don't call it MadMax, you know? And I was like, cool. And actually, I really like that movie.
Yeah, it's a great movie. I
really
even
like
saw it
that
in the
movie.
theater. Yeah. So this real life MadMax right here for us. That's so loud. Time for a ride along. Also, excuse me and sorry guys if you can't hear me. As you can see, we're completely open right here. I bet people already know you around here, right? Everybody knows you. That was already scary. Sort of have to scream if we're going to have a conversation, so I find that really funny. How cool. You can feel the heat come out of there, right?
20 miles right there.
Oh, 120? 55. We keep it under 55. Major thumbs up for the MadMax. Does this get more attention than the Lamborghini?
Let me tell you, Lamborghini guys, I love Lamborghini, but yeah, it does get a lot of attention. It's just roasted. I think it's just bigger, yeah.
That's so cool. So he just hit me with a question. I want to drive it, so I can't turn that down, guys. I can't. All right. First. Oh, fine. Is that first? Oh, did I stop? No. There we go. only stalled once, so you guys can't really roast me. So with all that said, sadly the video is coming to an end. Shout out to Enrique again, guys. Leave him some nice comments in the comments below. Shout out to him for letting me drive and review the car. And follow him on Instagram, C5_MadMax. It's gonna show up somewhere right here. But yeah, shout out, bro. Thank you. Had a blast. We're definitely gonna meet up again and make another video. And yeah, peace out, guys.